What's up, guys? I hope that you're having a wonderful day. If you already are subscribed, thank you so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed, click the subscribe button down below so that I can bring you more stimulus and financial updates in the future. In today's financial news, the Dow is up over 1.5% on the day. This is like the third day in a row. I think it's up over 1%. Not really sure, but the market has been going crazy. The S&P 500 is less than 1% away from its year start back where it was January 2nd of this year. The S&P 500 is also only like 150 points away from its highest point this year back before everything fell. The market is crazy right now. This is all due to optimism, specifically from the jobs report at the end of last week, and the hopes that people are returning to work and that people are returning to a normal life with less fear and more hope of spending and going back to some sort of normalcy throughout the world. With that, sports may be returning to semi-normal soon. Now, I had just said that there is fear leaving people, although I know there is lots of fear in many of you as well as myself. And that is the fact that what's going to happen in the future? Is there going to be a resurgence of the virus? Is the market actually going to continue to climb, or is it going to fall? And many more questions like, where might you get the money to pay rent? Where are you going to get money to buy your next meal? These are all very valid questions and worries to have at this moment, I think. Hopefully, if you haven't already found a way to receive help, you find some help soon. Look into your state and local government and how they are providing assistance and help. There is quite a bit of money funding food programs and different other grants that you might get. A grant is just free money that you would never have to pay back, and this might help with your rent or utilities or food costs. So be sure to look into that with your state and local governments. The Labor Secretary reported that the jobs report that was just released last week is actually numbers that are about 3 to 4 weeks old at this point. It's done from a survey, and the report has to take time to be made, and so these numbers are actually a few weeks old. So he is very optimistic that the jobs unemployment numbers right now are a lot better than people are expecting. Nikola, the stock that is just taking the stock market by storm. So Nikola started off just last week on the New York Stock Exchange, just over $30 a share. Tons of people loved it. It did this when it first IPO'd, and then today came. The stock is up over 100% today. That is just absolutely nuts. People who invested on Friday have doubled their money in one day. They announced that people will be able to place orders at the end of this month for their new trucks. So that's a big reason why their stock is up so large today. Anyway, I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more stimulus and financial updates, click right here. If you haven't already subscribed, click right here. Take care. Comb your hair. Bye-bye.